am in Hollywood, finding out about Buddhists. Tiger Woods is a Buddhist. Who next? Back to the studio.
Thank you, Lucas. He's right. But who's next? Stay tuned.
Vesak is the most important of all the Buddhist festivals. It honors the Buddha's enlightenment and is celebrated in the full moon in April or May.
The history of Vesak is the story of one man's spiritual journey to enlightenment and of the teachings and ways of living that developed from it.
Siddhartha Gautama became the Buddha by finding the path of enlightenment. Siddhartha was led from pain of suffering and referred towards the path of enlightenment. Siddhartha became known as Buddha or awakened one.
He was born into a royal family in the village of Lavini in present-day Nepal, and his privileged life insulated him from the sufferings of life, suffering such as sickness, age, and death.
I'm leaving my royal enclosure. I'd had enough of being cooped in these four walls. I need to see the outside world. Wow, I never realized that there was so much sickness, old age, and death in life. I need to see what I can do to make the world a happier place.
Hi, my name is Lucas. I've been part of every day in service to others, whether that be the other monks in the monastery or people on the outside world. It teaches me humility and ensures that my life is not just selfish, but devoted to others.
I'm Siddhartha, and I've seen so much suffering that I'd like to live life like you. Siddhartha's travels showed him much more of the suffering of the world. He searched for a way to escape the inevitability of death, old age, and pain, first by studying religious men. This did not provide him with an answer.
Siddhartha encountered an Indian self-discipline who encouraged him to follow a life of extreme self-denial and discipline. Siddhartha followed this life of extreme self-discipline for 6 years, but this did not satisfy him either. He did not escape from the world of suffering. He abandoned the strict lifestyle of self-denial and self-discipline, but did not return to his pampered luxury of his early life. Instead, he lived in the middle way, life of in the luxury. One day, seated beneath the Bodhi tree, the tree of awakening, Siddhartha began. One day, seated beneath the Bodhi tree, the tree of awakening, Siddhartha became deeply absorbed in meditation and reflected on his experience of life, determined to penetrate his truth. Pardon me. Attitude. Let us set in motion the wheel of teaching rather than worship one god or gods. Buddhism centers around the timeless importance of teaching or the Dharma.
For the next 45 years of his life, the Buddha taught many disciples who became atarts or noble ones who had achieved enlightenment for themselves.
I will now show you how to be a Buddhist. We only need to wear what we need. Keep wearing things until you can't anymore.
Oh, right. That does make sense. Well, I don't need a scarf in Singapore. Neither do I need a handbag.
We should be selfless and look after others. Oh, how do I do that? What does that mean? Being generous and kind, doing something without needing to be recognized or to receive thanks. Like this!
There's a word I know and it starts with K. That word is kindness, hear me when I say K is for kindness, a simple word, it's true. But it's amazing what a word can do. Amazing what a word can do. When you help someone in need, that's kind. When you plant a little seed, that's kind. When you give a pal a hug,
That's kindness.
giving all the ladybug, that's kindness too. And when you try a little kindness, kindness, and help someone for real, you might be surprised to realize how good it makes you feel when you try a little kindness.
Kindness.
When you try a little kindness.
We should learn from our elders.
Oh yes, I remember my parents trying to show me that. Have a look at our video.
Grandfather, please tell me how to live a happy life.
Первое, это чтобы тебе повезло со здоровьем, и ты бы умел поддерживать здоровье, энергию, бодрость в счастливой жизни.
First, you need to have health and energy, so you can wake up in the morning with a smile, and so you can maintain this happy energy throughout the whole of your life.
Второе, это делать то, что хочешь, и хотеть того, что делаешь. Заниматься любимой работой.
Second, you need to find the job, find the work, find the project in life that you love, that you're passionate about.
И третье, это чтобы тебе повезло с женой. Ты вот нашел себе хорошую жену.
And third one, you need to get lucky to get the right spouse, right partner for your life.
Все.
That's it. Very simple. Thank you.
We should be there to listen to people without casting judgment.
Guys, I feel sick.
Oh, what happened?
Well, I walked past the Youngbrewed Bakery and spotted a delicious looking chocolate cake in the window. So I bought one and ate it all.
Oh well, at least you know not to do that again.
That's not all.
Huh?
Then on my way home, I went by Din Tai Fung and the dumplings smelled delicious. So I ate 12.
Why are you going to sit down? We believe that change will happen and we will have to embrace it.
Like this?
Not like that, like this.
Welcome to the
We should live in the moment.
Oh, I know what that means.
We should focus on one thing.
Hey, put your phone away and focus on what I'm saying.
Oh, sorry, now I'm listening. We should give everything we've got.
Like at school, we should show resilience and try everything. Like at school, we should show resilience and try everything.
We should let go of what we cannot control.
So if something is upsetting us but you can't do anything about it, you need to let it pass.
That's all right. We just have to play inside.
Exactly, that's why we let cage animals go free on Vesak Day.
There's a word I know and it starts with
what we have told